Hello everyone. It can be tiring to enter the billing and shipping address of your customer every time you add one or when you update the address of an existing customer. Using the Address Typeahead extension, you have the option to either pin the address on a map or search the location in order to add your customer's address to Zoho Inventory. Let's see how this works. Please note this extension is available only in the Premium, Enterprise, Elite, and Ultimate plans in Zoho Inventory. In this video, we will cover the following topics. Let's get started. Let's install the Address Typeahead extension from Zoho Marketplace. Go to marketplace.zoho.com. Here, you will find many ready-to-use extensions. Search Address Typeahead for Zoho Inventory in the search bar. In the page that follows, install the extension. Click Install at the top right corner. You can select the organization you would like to install the extension, then read and agree to the terms and conditions of your vendor and Zoho Marketplace and click Install. Here, read and agree to the terms and conditions and click Next. Now you will need to authorize your connections. To do this, hover the cursor over Zoho Finance Suite and click Connect. Go ahead and click Connect again. Zoho Flow requires access to fetch your data from the app. Therefore, click Accept to continue. Then, click Next at the bottom of the page. You can enter the API key sourced from Google Cloud Console here and click Install Extension. That's it. The extension has been successfully installed. Next, let's add the customer's address to Zoho Inventory. Log into your Zoho Inventory account. Go to the Sales module and select Customers. You can click plus sign here to create a new customer, or if you wish to edit the address of an existing customer, select the customer and click Edit. Scroll down and click on the Address tab. Here, you will find the billing and shipping address fields. Now, click the Address Typeahead extension icon at the top right corner. You can either enter the location or pin the location on the map. Following this, the address will be auto-populated in its corresponding fields. You can tick this box if your billing and shipping address are the same. Click Use this address. Once done, the address will get updated in the address fields. If at any point you wish to uninstall the Address Typeahead extension, go to Settings and select Marketplace. Switch to the Installed Extensions tab and click View Details in the Address Typeahead card. Click Uninstall at the top right corner. That's it for now, folks. We hope you found this video useful. Thank you.